everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica, and if you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel down below. I upload new videos every Wednesday and Sunday, and I upload hair videos, makeup videos, reviews, what I eat in a day, cleaning videos. Honestly, whatever tickles my little fancy is what I'm going to upload on this channel. But if you guys are interested in any of that content, I would love for you guys to hit that little subscribe button down below. And also while you're down there, make sure to hit that little bell because it will notify you every time I upload, which is every Wednesday and Sunday. And for today's video, I have another hair mask review. I've just been loving trying out new hair masks, guys, especially with the summer coming up. I feel like my hair changes a lot during the summer, so I feel like finding a new hair mask for the summertime is just super fun, and just testing new things out is just so much fun, and I have so much fun trying them out for you guys. But make sure if you like hair videos to give this video a thumbs up so that I know. It just really helps me out to know what kind of content you guys like. You guys always thumbs up my hair videos, so I know you guys love those. You guys really like my makeup tutorials and everything like that. So I'm just wanting to make content that you guys will enjoy. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this hair mask review. So for today's review, we are reviewing the Thank God It's Natural Honey Miracle Hair Mask. Intense moisturizing deep conditioner, heal and hydrate dry, damaged, and color treated hair with raw honey and olive oil. It has no sulfates, parabens, lanolin, petroleum, mineral oil, artificial colors, or animal testing. So it says on the back, when Harvard Law graduate and breast cancer survivor Christia Donaldson was unable to find products for her textured hair, she invented them, and Thank God It's Natural was born. Made with Christia's passion for wellness and immense attention to detail, TGIN products are developed using the finest ingredients to support the health of your hair, skin, and body. Directions. After shampooing with TGIN Moisture Rich Shampoo and conditioning with the TGIN Triple Moisture Replenishing Conditioner, apply a generous amount of the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask to the hair and comb through to ensure thorough distribution from root to ends. Place a plastic cap over hair and sit under a dryer for 10 to 15 minutes or leave on the hair for 35 minutes to an hour without heat. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Okay, that's easy enough. I'm definitely going to sit under a plastic cap with my heating cap on, but I did not use the Moisture Rich Shampoo or the Triple Moisture Replenishing Conditioner because I didn't want to. So I will tell you that the products that I did use, I used the Cream of Nature shampoo. I forgot the Argan Oil line, the shampoo from that line. And then to just condition my hair and detangle it in the shower, I used the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist, which I was almost out of, so I mixed it with the Maui Moisture Agave conditioner, the not the hair mask, just the conditioner from that line. I really like that conditioner. It leaves my hair smelling really good. But I forgot a comb, so I'm gonna go run and get a comb, and then I will be right back to start applying this to my hair with you guys. Okie dokie. So grab my comb. My hair is pretty dry now because I did go ahead and do my makeup. I was just feeling like doing it today. I have the day off today, so I'm filming a few videos for you guys, so I just wanted to go ahead and film some videos and do my makeup. So I just ripped my earring out of my ear. That hurts so bad. There it is. Looking for the back to it. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this mask. I have heard nothing but good things about the Thank God It's Natural products. Their products, I've heard nothing but good things about them. So I'm excited. Like I said, my hair has been in the towel for a long time, so it's probably a little dry. Now I'm just going to take this water. Was this loose? I'm gonna take this water bottle. I got this off no, I'm sorry, I got it from Sally's. You can get it on Amazon if you are looking for one. It's just one of the continuous sprays water bottles, which I really like. So I'm just going to go ahead and detangle, and then I'm just going to section off a section of my hair and go ahead and start to apply this. Okay, dokey. Let's see the consistency and stuff, shall we? Oh, it smells good. It literally smells like honey. Oh my gosh. Let's see the texture of it. Let's see. Oh, it's not as thick as I thought it was going to be. I don't know why whenever I hear honey, I think like it's going to be really thick. But as you guys can see here, it's like not like as thick as, say, I'm trying to think of a really thick conditioner. Can't think of one at the moment, but it's not as thick as the coconut one that I used last week. If you guys haven't seen my review of the coconut oil two-step mask from Palmer's, I'll try and link that down below for you guys, but I just did not like that one. My hair just doesn't like coconut oil. I've come to the conclusion. Oh, this feels so good, guys. Oh my gosh. This is what I was looking for with the Palmer's one, and I did not get this at all. And it smells so good. I'm just going to go ahead and run my comb through it like it says on the directions. Oh my god, guys. I think this is going to be a new fave. I feel it. You know when you put in a conditioner in your hair and you're like, oh yeah, girl. That's what I like. Oh, it feels good. Feels really good. Okay. Let's try another section. It feels super like penetrating. Like it's gonna give a lot of moisture to my hair. I am a lot of weeks post now. I'm trying to see if I can get a relaxer next week probably. I think I'm almost like 4 months post relaxer. And my hair is doing absolutely fine. I've been wearing a lot of braid outs just because the two textures with my new growth and stuff, it's kind of hard to straighten it because of the two textures. So I've just been wearing braid outs. I've been wearing my hair curly, and yeah, it's just been really, really nice. So far so good with this conditioner, guys. It's feeling really, really nice. It has good slip too, that I'm noticing. Like my comb is gliding through, and like you guys saw, like I detangled a little bit, but nothing crazy. So it feels good and it smells divine. So I'm really liking this. I just want it a little more damp. There we go. Let's do one more section on camera, and then I'll go ahead off camera and finish applying it. So how have you guys been? How are you? What are you guys up to? I've been so busy the last few weekends. The other day, Saturday, today's Monday when I'm filming this, was my best friend's baby shower. So I had been running around doing stuff for that like all day Saturday. So I didn't have any time to film this weekend. And then yesterday I was literally in bed till like 3 p.m. because I was so tired. But it was amazing. So can't wait to meet my little baby nephew. Oh, I'm so excited. But yeah, so that's what I've been up to. Just working, trying to get content out for you guys, working out. Guys, I've started working out 5 times a week. I know. Who the heck is she? But it just feels really, really good, and I love the feeling of getting stronger. And I am building up my endurance on the treadmill and the elliptical and trying to grow this booty. Even though I have a nice butt, I just want it to be like really plump and firm, and you know. But I've been really enjoying going to the gym, and I never thought in a million years I would be that girl. So here we are. but I've been really enjoying it. So if you guys are like a workout routine or like maybe hairstyles for the gym or something like that, I can definitely do that video for you guys. But that's really all I'm up to. Just it feels really good, so I'm gonna go ahead, apply the rest of this conditioner to my I was about to say my face, but it's not, to my hair, and I'll be right back to show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Alrighty, I don't know why I always clap when I come back to talk to you guys, but we're back. So all of the conditioner is in my hair. I'm really loving the way it smells. I didn't even use all of it, but it smells really good. It feels really good. I loaded it up in here, girl, because, you know, your girl is heavy-handed or whatever. So we're just going to go ahead. I'm going to sit under my heating cap for about 15 minutes, I think is what it said. 10 to 15? Yeah, sit under dryer. I'm not going to sit in my dryer. My heating cap for 10 to 15 minutes. Going to rinse this out, and I will show you guys what it looks like when we're all done. I'll be back. Alright guys, I am back. I have rinsed out the conditioner, and this is what my hair is looking like. It feels so good. Did you guys have any doubt that it wouldn't feel amazing from my first impression of it? So it just feels so good, so moisturized. This is how I love for my hair to feel. And like, as you guys can see, my comb is just gliding through, like no problem at all. So I really enjoy this conditioner. It says it heals and hydrates, and my hair feels like it is healed and hydrated. Honestly, it feels so good. I'm so looking forward to finishing up the rest of my hair care routine with this in my hair. It just feels so good. But if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know down below by leaving a comment. Have you guys tried out this mask before? Do you guys like it? I'm definitely going to pick up the bigger size of this, and I think that adding a little bit more of the olive oil, because this already has olive oil in it, adding like a little bit extra olive oil to it and sitting under the heated dryer, or the heating cap rather, it will literally, I think, change the game. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon. Love you girls. Mwah. Bye.